Guys behind Stefan there. Folks will be watching the skies for the moon tonight.
Seems like a good night to watch the moon and watch Toby Keith too.
Yeah, I mean, the moon will be behind all the fans, but Toby will have a great view. and you know, tonight it is going to be warm. It's just not going to be oppressively hot. We've got drier air which moved in, and that has helped to take the edge off of the heat. Let's start off with a quick look at our Storm Track hour-by-hour forecast. You'll see the temperatures begin to drop, and they will drop rather quickly, especially into 9-10 o'clock time frame as we're headed back into the mid-70s. Eventually, we'll see upper 60s and low 70s for early in the morning. So when you join Nate Harrington tomorrow morning, you can see the numbers will be a little more reflective of cooler compared to what we have had. 93 degrees right now over at the University of Alabama. Look at that dew point, 53. So heat index not even a problem today. And these are actual air temperatures. 88 right now in Coleman, 93 for Pell City, 92 in Talladega, Alabaster at 90, 93 as I mentioned for Tuscaloosa. You're one of the warm spots along with Jasper. There's no rain here locally in central Alabama. Storm Track radar hasn't had any rain other than right along the I-85 corridor, which has actually been a pretty good area of showers and thunderstorms traveling towards the south and west. This will not affect us, so don't count on any rain here locally. Our Storm Track Futurecast starting out at 5 o'clock. Not a whole lot going on here. We're clear as expected, and this trend continues throughout the night tonight. So the official blue moon, the full moon, will be very visible, and actually it'll be a brilliant night for that to happen. It's just, or at least here in Alabama, we'll have a great visibility of it. And then on Saturday, a great looking day, plenty of sunshine. Again, a lot like what we saw today. Clouds will be hard to find, and that's rare for this time of the year in Alabama. But with this batch of dry air moving in, it is having a huge impact. The only thing we'll likely see are a few high clouds from time to time. But Sunday, another great looking day. Temperatures will have a chance to heat up. With drier air, you can heat and cool at a broader range, so Mother Nature does the same thing, and that will likely help to produce maybe a passing cloud or two, just not enough moisture to work with to really get much in the way of rain going. Now, there is the very rich and tropical air that's going to stay to our east, and notice it's around Atlanta, starts to get drier. Well, we're going down to 51 tomorrow at about 3 o'clock. So with dew points in the upper 40s and low 50s with sunshine, I mean, it's going to feel like Phoenix versus Birmingham, and those numbers stay in the 50s, so the humidity levels won't be a problem. It's just not very often we get a batch of dry air like this in here for the 1st of August or the end of July, so we'll have to soak it in and enjoy it. Just remember, there will be plenty of sunshine and there will be hot temperatures, 96, 97, a good bet. So if you're headed out to the lake, maybe you're going to the park, whatever it may be, you still have to hydrate. Even though your body won't be suffering from the humidity and the heat index, you still dehydrate quickly, actually a little quicker now that we have dry air in place. 67 is the average low tonight, clear and cool. As I mentioned, not as humid. Here's your Storm Track 7-day forecast. Temperatures up to 96, 97 on Sunday. And we're headed towards 100 again on Tuesday, a high of 98. We cool down just a bit with the chance of rain returning as we get into late Wednesday and Thursday. And don't forget this Saturday, set your DVR if you're not going to be at home. We have a really cool Storm Track weather special. It's called Storm Track Tropics, and we'll be giving you in-depth hurricane information as well as talking about the 10th anniversary of Hurricane Katrina.